shepherd at the moment, knowing I've been chosen to kill my giant opponent. Giving a rock, saving the nation as I throw it. Imprisoned in my basement, free to be King Joseph. Follow the 10 commandments, milk and honey was granted. Freedom writers with answers, pushing away the cameras. Curiosity leading up to hypocrisy. They tell me not to do what I'm doing, but then they follow me. Thinking of it now, who would've thought that I would be what I've become, besides a mother that believes in a son? Even though I never gave her the reason to what she's done. Beyond all measures, water's thinner than blood, sharpened as a dagger, spilling it with my tongue. Dream clouds are captured, opening up my lungs, fighting for those who run. They say I'm just a rapper, I'm telling you I'm the one. We're representing the youth, they love us for what we do. We're representing our fathers and mothers that love it too. This song took dedication, I dedicate it to you. I dedicate it to you.
Yeah, Martin Luther took a bullet for me. Malcolm X took a bullet for me. Yeah, Martin Luther took a bullet for me. Malcolm X took a bullet for me. If I'm the best at taking my stress and making it rest on the beat, then why not repeat it until I'm weak? Malcolm X took a bullet for me. Martin Luther took a bullet for me, and for that reason I'm dreaming. I'm never leaving this earth because I believe in a higher power that's reaching inside our lives, intervening to make a better decision. I'm seeing what's on the TV and get a little discouraged, but hope is still in my being, hope is still in my mind, hope is still in my system. They beat a man after death, but they blessed to be out of prison. I keep my head in the middle and never let it get high, cause haters will gas you up, they watch you fall from the sky. Yeah, Martin Luther took a bullet for me. Malcolm X took a bullet for me. Yeah, Martin Luther took a bullet for me. Malcolm X took a bullet for me.
Together.